When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your Washington, D.C. home, many homeowners focus on paint colors, landscaping, or furniture arrangements. However, one of the most significant design elements that can dramatically influence the overall look and feel of your property is the windows. Windows are not only functional but also serve as a focal point that can transform the style and character of your home, inside and out. Whether you're building a new home or renovating your current one, the right window design can enhance your property's curb appeal, increase natural light, and complement your home's architectural style. Here's a closer look at how window design can impact the aesthetic appeal of your Washington, D.C. home and why choosing the right windows is an essential part of any home improvement project. Windows as a focal point. Windows have the unique ability to draw the eye, and when designed properly, they can become a focal point of your home's exterior. The style, shape, and size of your windows can create a dramatic effect, setting the tone for the entire house. For example, large picture windows create an open, airy feel, offering expansive views of the outdoors. This design element not only brings in natural light but also allows you to enjoy Washington, D.C.'s beautiful scenery, whether it's city views or leafy neighborhood streets. On the other hand, arched windows or bay windows can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to the exterior, making your home stand out in a visually appealing way. The placement and proportion of your windows can dramatically impact the curb appeal of your home, transforming it from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether you're looking for a sleek, modern look or something more traditional, the right window design can set the tone for your home's overall style. Complementing architectural style, Washington, D.C. is home to a variety of architectural styles, ranging from colonial and Victorian to modern and craftsman. Choosing the right window design that complements the architectural style of your home can enhance its beauty and ensure the overall aesthetic feels cohesive. Traditional homes. For more traditional homes, double-hung windows with classic, wooden frames can enhance the charm and warmth of your property. These windows fit beautifully with the timeless appeal of colonial or craftsman-style homes. Modern homes. For modern homes, sleek, minimalist windows with clean lines and metal frames are ideal. Large, floor-to-ceiling windows or sliding glass doors help bring the outdoors in, creating an open and contemporary feel. Historic homes. If you live in a historic neighborhood or own a heritage property, maintaining the integrity of your windows design is essential. Opting for custom window replacements that mimic the look of the original windows while improving energy efficiency and performance can preserve the character of your home while enhancing its overall appeal. The right window design ensures that your windows fit seamlessly with your home's style, enhancing the aesthetic value and creating a cohesive look both inside and outside. Increasing natural light and space. The amount of natural light that enters your home can have a profound effect on its ambiance and overall aesthetic appeal. Windows are your primary source of natural light, and the design of your windows can help to maximize or minimize how much light enters different areas of your home. Large windows or glass walls in living areas flood the space with light, making the interior feel bright, spacious, and welcoming. This design element is particularly beneficial in open-concept homes or homes with a modern aesthetic that emphasizes light and openness. Strategic window placement. The placement and size of your windows also play a critical role in creating a balanced, well-lit atmosphere. Strategically placed window designs can make a room feel more expansive or cozy, depending on the effect you want to create. Beyond just letting in light, windows also connect the interior of your home with the outdoor environment. Well-designed windows can enhance your relationship with the natural world, making your home feel more connected to its surroundings. Energy efficiency and window design. While aesthetic appeal is important, window design also plays a role in your home's energy efficiency. In Washington, D.C.'s varying climate, from cold winters to hot summers, having energy-efficient windows can significantly impact the look of your home and how comfortable it feels inside. Modern window designs, such as double or triple pane windows, low-E glass, and insulated frames, can reduce heat loss in winter and keep your home cooler during the summer. These energy-efficient windows are available in various styles, including casement, sliding, or double-hung, so you don't have to sacrifice aesthetics for energy savings. Incorporating energy-efficient windows not only enhances the appearance of your home but also reduces your environmental footprint and lowers your utility bills. Plus, when windows are well insulated and energy efficient, they maintain a comfortable interior temperature, contributing to the overall comfort of your living space. Customization and personalization. One of the key benefits of modern window design is the ability to customize the windows to fit your specific aesthetic preferences. Whether you want colored frames, specialized glass coatings, or unique window shapes, custom-designed windows allow you to personalize your space. Custom windows can help highlight certain features of your home, such as framing a stunning view, complementing architectural details, or adding a distinctive design element that reflects your style. From choosing the type of glass to the framing material and finish, the possibilities for customization are endless. Conclusion. The design of your windows plays a crucial role in the overall aesthetic appeal of your Washington, D.C. home. Whether you're enhancing the architectural style, increasing natural light, or improving energy efficiency, choosing the right window design can make a significant difference in the beauty and functionality of your property. By selecting windows that match your home's style, provide optimal light, and enhance the exterior appearance, you can transform your home into a more inviting, comfortable, and energy-efficient space. So, whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, window design is an essential factor that should not be overlooked.